Hey friends, good morning. This is Abhishek from TechVirus, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing and review of new 4K action camera. And before I start, I would like to thank you Banggood.com for sending this review product. On the box we can see that it has got 16 megapixel of camera, it can record at 4K, it can support 64 GB of memory card, it has got Wi-Fi, display and wide angle lens. So in a nutshell, you can use this product as an cheap alternative to GoPro. At the back of this box, you can see that we have detailed description of the specification for this 4K action camera. So you can go through it, you can pause the video and you can see all the details what it has. Alright, now it's time to unbox this device and show you what all things are there inside. Alright, now you can see that we have few accessories for this camera. This is kind of the back plate, and then we have some adjusting screws. Then this is the case for the waterproofing, and then we have a few more accessories like which we can hook it to any of the different devices like your helmet, your bike handle, your car bonnet, and this is the charger. And then we have the strap is to hold it on the helmet, and then this is the clip, and again this is the sticking pad for your car where you can stick and then clip it on your car dashboard. This is the cable, and the last one is the user manual, and this contains all the details about your camera as well as the accessories, like what all accessories you need to mix and match to set to a particular device, like how you can fix it on the helmet, on your car dashboard. So those details will be there. Alright, now it's time to see the camera closely. So here you can see that we have 4K action camera, and the right hand side we have the lens, and the left hand side we have a small black and white LED, and on top of this we have a button, and on the right hand side we have volume up and volume down, or the menu selection button, as well as the microphone. Now you will see the bottom of this camera. Here we have the battery slot. So let me open and show you how does the battery for this camera looks. And you just have to pull this out using this small plastic here. Okay, so now you can see this particular camera has 3.7 volt of lithium ion battery, and capacity is 900 mAh. Alright, let me put this back inside the camera, and then I'll show you the other side of this particular camera. Here you can see that we have three slots on the left hand side. First one is for the micro SD, then we have the USB charging port, and then HDMI. Now let me try this 128 GB of micro SD. I think they have mentioned about 64 GB is the maximum capacity, but let me try with 128 GB. So once you have the card inside this camera, you can switch on this device by just pressing this power button which is in front of this camera, and you can see that some information is popping up in the front small display, and it will show the timing. And on the back you will see that it says as action camera, and it takes some 10 to 15 seconds to boot this camera, and once it's booted it will directly open the video mode, and you can see that the information of the current settings are being displayed on top. Battery level is also being displayed, and when you press the OK button on top, it will start the recording, and you will see the number of seconds. That means it has started recording, and you can just move left and right and it will record. And once you want to stop, you just press the top button and it will stop the recording. Now once you click the power button again, then you will go into the settings. Like there will be multiple settings, like what is the video resolution you want sound recording or not, you want photo resolution to be changed, white balance, Wi-Fi, other things, everything you can change using the settings button. And here you can see that we have multiple resolution. On top we have 4K, then 1080p, what you can see now, and then 720, and other settings are also there in this particular camera. Alright, now it's time to show you the waterproofing case for this particular camera. This comes within the box, and this is very simple to use. Like you just have to open this case and then put the camera inside, and make sure that you face the lens accordingly. Like you need to place the lens as shown in this video, and then close this particular door, and then you have to lock this hinge, and once it is locked it will be very firm. Also you can see that we have few metallic button on this case, and these buttons will be used to press the camera button indirectly. Now you can see that we have the hinge below, and we have some screws like these are the accessories like which you can install on this case. Like you have to get this case installed first. For any kind of accessories what you want to install, you just have to clip this and you will have different kind of screws, different kind of accessories. Like here you can see that I have mounted this on my cycling helmet and it has been locked. I have used the strip and some of the screws which has come with this camera box. Now you can see that this is really firm and it does not move left and right. Now let me try to wear this helmet and then I'll try to ride my cycle and see how is the stability of this camera. Like, does this camera moves left and right when it goes into the bumpy road? Here you can see that I'm riding next to the lake and it has got very bumpy road, and in this video I'll be testing the stability of the camera holder and would also try to record some of the footage from this action camera. Alright friends, so this was my unboxing and initial review for this action camera. I hope you liked it. I'll be coming with the footage of this camera soon in the next video, so please stay tuned to my channel and don't forget to subscribe because you might be a lucky winner for Apple iPhone 7 when this channel reaches 50,000 subscribers. Please check my Facebook page for more details.